Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install Python and have it set up on your Windows machine. So let's dive in. First of all, you want to go to your terminal and check if Python exists on your machine. So you want to come here to the search, and in the search bar you want to type in terminal. Once you've typed that, you want to press enter. And this will open the terminal window, and you want to change this to the command prompt, and you want to type in Python and click enter. If you get this window pop up here directing you to the Microsoft Store, then you know that Python doesn't exist on your machine, so we are going to have to download it. And you want to exit this because you don't want to download it from the Microsoft Store. So you want to go to your favorite browser. I would be using Brave here, and you want to type in Python. And this will take you to the Python official website where we can download Python. And you want to hover your mouse to the download, and you can see the current version of Python here, Python 3.13. And you want to click on this and have it downloaded on your machine. Press save and it begins downloading. You're going to wait for this to download, and we are going to head on to the folder which Python was downloaded and stored into, and you want to double click on this, and this would bring you here. Let me close this window so we can have just so you want to come to customize installation, and you want to have this all checked, and you want to press next. And we want to have this set up as is. You want to have make sure everything is checked up here, and we also want to make sure Python is stored in its standalone folder. So you want to go on to installing this, make sure everything here is checked, and you want to go on to installing Python into your machine. So we give it some time to get installed. Once this is done installing, we'll get a successful setup message here. You want to go ahead to close this window, and you want to go back to your terminal. Once your terminal is open, you want to type in Python. If you get this message shown here, then you know Python has been successfully installed into your machine. And from there, we can just start typing in our first command. So we can impute our first print statement. So we could say hello world, print hello world. And that gets printed on our terminal. You can also check for evaluation. So we could say 2 + 2, and we get 4. We can also clear this terminal by just typing in clear. And we can exit this by typing in exit command. And we are out of the Python shell. So we have Python installed now on our machine, on our Windows machine. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.